Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need digital marketing services specifically including to Google Ads, web development, landing page, you can hire me and make it to the link in the description. We help in Google Ads, advertiser verification, suspensions, ad distributes, Google Merchant Center distributes, suspension, Google Ads management, audit setup. So I look forward to working with you. And guys, I'm here with an amazing case study for advertiser verification. So let's get started on this. We have so far solved bundles of cases. So this time I thought to make a detailed case study on what happened, what exactly happened, and how we got it restored for advertiser verification. Okay, in case if you need such assistance, again you can hire me and my team to in the description. So for those who don't know, the client had a failed advertiser verification, and the point he where he was stuck was business operation verification or organization verification documents where he was stuck at. But in case if you're stuck at any stage, or in case if you need help in any stage, me and my team can help you. So just to let you know that the client actually came from watching my YouTube videos like you guys are watching around. So I'm gonna appreciate you. So the client also said that I'm drop shipping, and if you it will appreciate if you can blur all the information from the account and only share screenshot from your work when done. Is that possible? So respecting the client privacy, I won't be showing the domain, but I will share you the step-by-step procedure on what we did. Plus, I will also show you the feedback as well, which I got from the client. So I hope you can read it. I'm gonna make it bigger so you can see it as well. So for those who don't know, this was where he was stuck on. You can see that telling about your business was done, verifying the organization was done, but he was stuck at verifying the business operations, and they had almost everything. They were a registered entity. Still it was failed. So what we did was, when the case came to us, we reviewed all the documents, we thoroughly said everything, and then in short, when we submitted, we got it failed again. We discussed with the Google team again, they said, and then with the Google team, one of their agents discussed with my staff, and they both collaborated and submitted these documents on a Zoom meeting. So everything was done according to the Google team. Plus, a manual review was being done on the third attempt because it was automatically being rejected by their algorithmic issues. So my team helped this on, and I'm here with a very amazing case study. We also help with Google Ads audit up, setup management services as well. I'm sorry, I'm advertising myself again and again, and because this is what a marketer can do. On so over here, so there was few information which I like to share. The account has been open for around 1 year, just like my budget center, which is linked to the Google Ads account as well. I guess the first issue was around the question 16. Considering your answers about select the business that reflects a company, I'm a drop shipper. None of these options would go in. Okay, so he actually provided the details, and I like to you can see over here that not every information can you guys can see around. So I have to okay. So over here, let's move over here. So, guys, what we did was we tried submitting these documents, and because the account was old and it is a drop shipping business, so he was specifically concerned regarding approval of the documents because they were failed. And the thing is, when the issue came to us as well, what I did was, I discussed on, and that uh, when one of my staff uh, said that your documents have been disapproved, that we notified that you are in violation of business operation verification program, and your Google Ads account will be suspended in 7 days as a business operation program was not successful. And it was over there as well, and you can see that the documentations they discussed around. And at that time, I provided him with an opportunity. With another client, what we did was, when he failed for advertiser verification documents, I suggested them that we can do personal verification as an individual advertiser and keep on running the account. He was very surprised with this, and I said that we can change your billing profile, and we can make it a to a an individual advertiser, and we can get it approved quickly through the Google team, because that does not require such extensive list of documents. So, but he was keen because he was that I'm not representing only myself, but I'm representing a company and a department. So he agreed that as a last resort, we can do individual verification, but our point of concern remains that we have to do the business operation verification, which was our ultimate goal was, which was, we actually wanted to do it. And this was, only was possible, with a simultaneous discussion with the Google. And what happened was, one of my staff was when in touch with the Google. They were very surprised on how come these documents were being not accepted. And then when I discussed with my staff and discussed with them, they said that there must be problem in submitting these documents. So my staff and a Google representative had a joint Zoom meeting, and my staff submitted these documents along with the support of Google support, and that they were being rejected again. So that was the moment of concern, because I running a Google party company, and I was very surprised at what's happening. So then what we did was, I contacted my dedicated manager, had a discussion with them, and they really discussed with the Google department, because Google is a big organization, and even in Google Ads there are so many departments. So they discussed it manually, and they said that now submit again, and now the Google team will manually review it, and because I that asked them now keep it on a priority. So now the bad thing was, because this whole scenario took more than a month, because we wanted to submit on business operation verification, not as an individual advertiser. Had it that been an individual advertiser verification, we could have done in 1 or 2 weeks, but because it's a business operation verification, so and the client wanted that should remain it. So finally there was a time, when we got this an email from the Google that thanks for completing advertiser verification. Uh, from now on, your ad will include disclosing your verified name as well. And I because the project was being done on Upwork, so that this was a very good client remark. Said Ali and his team are very hardworking, knowledgeable, and good people after all. They really went above and beyond to get my account verified and running, and cooperated with me, and must have an idea to do so, because he wanted to get a business operation verification. And I would recommend work for anyone looking for Google Ad services without a touch. So yeah, thank you for these appreciation, and thank you and all credits to my team, who collaboratively worked with me on this as well. So, and this is a the verification email, which I personally got as well on my Gmail account. You can see over here that this is a verification link. So yeah, in case if you need such services regarding Google Ads, it would have a verification. In case if you need for Google Ads disapprovals, in case if you need for Google Ads audit, setup, and management, you can hire me and my team, and I would love to work with you around and help you in reaching new heights in the digital marketing world. So yeah, I look forward to working with you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Take care and bye bye. And make sure to subscribe to the channel as well.